Okay. So I know I'm not an arm. Hello? Oh, yeah. Oh, you guys. I had a phone call. Oh, this is one good thing about this is that it comes off so easily. Oh, yeah. You like that? Oh, God. Wow. Now I can say this. Do you guys want to see from last year? Do I still have it? Oh my God, yes I do. It's my collection. I'm just gonna keep collecting. Last year's is like way better, obviously. Anyway, I think that's it. There's like fake blood dripping down here. It was grossing me out. Butt boy, you came to say hi? Come up. Come up. You wanna come say hi? You will ignore him and then he'll come up. So la-dee-dee. La-dee-da. Told ya. See, all you have to do is ignore the boy and then he comes to you. Yeah, but I can't get fake blood on you, my boy. No, my boy. No, my boy. You're so soft. Did you have a bath? Hey, did you have a bath, my boy? Oh, you had a bath? Oh, it was a day at the spa? Yeah, for my boy. No, you don't want that. Do you want that? It's ick. It's ickies. No. Yeah, you're scared. You're scared cat. Oh, okay guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye everybody. Say bye, boy. Oh, you just want to rub up on me. Oh my God, this is so cute. Boy, why you be cutie like this all the time? You be cutie. Oh my God. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with you? I don't think anything. I don't think I'm gonna do anything. Hey? Am I not gonna do anything with you? Hey? Oh, don't get fake blood on you. No fake blood, please. No fake blood, please. No, it's on my shirt too, my boy. You gotta be a good boy. Let me smooth this. Oh, look at you, so cutie. Yeah. Oh, you're so sweetie boy. Yeah. Oh, he's so cute. I love him so much. For anyone who doesn't know, I found him in a shelter in Toronto. What the heck? Who would give him up? He's so cute. Get your butt out of my face. His butt like quivered. Hey, cutie. You come back here. He's 3 years old, and he's the best in the whole world. He's just the best. Hey, you're not gonna eat that, are you? I'll give you kisses. Hey, my boy. Look at this black fur. You can get a mohawk. Oh, and yeah, you're gonna tip this over. Yeah, you're either gonna tip it over or you're gonna break it. Oh my God, you got fake blood all in your foot. Okay, guys. Peace out. A-Town. Boy, get off of there. Oh, you guys, look what he's doing. He's just being bad. Oh, see, I told you, you're gonna knock things over. That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna knock it over. Oh, oh, see, you got it all in your Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. This is what it's like having a cat. Okay, time to get going. Jump off of there. Are you gonna jump off or what? Yeah, all right. Goodbye. Goodbye? No? No goodbye? Okay. Cat moms, you get it.